Oh, hey, it's Dean from Leisure Travel Vans, and as you can see, we're up in the North Pole, the beautiful North Pole. Santa's elves have been busy. They just built me a beautiful Unity corner bed, but as you can see, Christmas is here, and what a great time of the year Christmas is, going RVing in a Leisure Travel Van, but it's also a great time to be with family and friends. And as 2024 comes to an end, it's a great time to reflect on what a great year that it was. So this past year, we've done lots of great product updates to make our product even better. You know what? It's getting a little chilly up here in the North Pole. I'm getting cold and I'm kind of hungry. Come on, let's go into a beautiful Leisure Travel Van motorhome. This is much better. Christmas time in a Leisure Travel Van. How can you go wrong? Plus, if you don't like your neighbors, you can just leave and go to a different Christmas party. Speaking of Christmas parties, we need some cookies. Look at that. Oh, nice big storage area. Remember, if the plate fits, you must have quit. Absolutely perfect. We've got cold eggnog that we just took out of our beautiful standard 12-volt fridge. Cold eggnog, though? I'm supposed to be cold. I want to have hot. Good. I've got cookies. I've got my gifts underneath my Christmas tree. I wonder if it's cold. As we reflect back on 2024 calendar year, it was kind of a sad time at our company as we lost one of our founders, Phil Enns. So he's very missed, and we think about him every day. We know that he's in a great place right now. But some other things that happened in 2024. Our YouTube channel continues to grow. We have over 316,000 subscribers. We've had over 2.5 million views. You have watched over 300,000 hours of me talking about Leisure Travel Vans. We have a 1-800 number with a psychologist to bring you back down to reality. Have a cookie on me. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure that you smash that bell and subscribe. And if you're enjoying our video, please give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment below. You can also check us out on Instagram, Facebook, X, or you can check out my dance routine on TikTok. Really? Did you put it on TikTok? You could take on the Australian Olympic team in breakdancing. Another great thing is we have our Leisure Explorers team, which are leisure owners. They share all their adventures when they're on the road with their leisure travel vans. We've had over 200,000 people read these stories of their adventures. Plus, we had some great product updates this year, including the Leisure Lounge chairs. I'm sitting in this beautiful corner bed. This is a great option to have if you want to have two beautiful leisure chairs. We also upgraded all of our electrical system. We inverted our air conditioner, put soft start in so you can run it off your house batteries, because we've now got a 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. We added some more storage. We also added these lounger chairs into the Unity FX. Plus, this being our 60th anniversary model year, we have a 60th anniversary package. Diamond white exterior paint, special leather colors, upper cabinets, and countertops. Beautiful black hardware throughout the entire motorhome for the 2025 model year. We had our annual calendar photo contest. We had hundreds of photos that came into us, and it is so hard to pick, but we did, and we're going to have an amazing 2025 calendar. This year, we actually had the largest rally ever, over 300 leisure customers, all the way from everywhere in Canada, the United States, Florida, California, British Columbia, Alaska, the Maritime. And this year, we had 10 dealers qualify for triple diamond status. We won the DSI award for the 12th consecutive time in a row. That's voted on by all the RV dealers in Canada and the United States. We had the highest score out of any manufacturer in the RV business, and we're all very, very excited as the president of our company, Terry Elias, was inducted into the RV Hall of Fame. Hey, congratulations, Terry. You deserve it. For all of our staff, we have the family fair. We rent the local exhibition that comes out to Winkler, Manitoba. We have all of our employees there, all of their kids, their families. We have incredible food. Hey, every year we shoot our product videos, and they look pretty smooth and flawless, but they're not. Oh, wow. This is like my third cookie. I can't eat anymore, man. I'm getting tired. I could lounge back here in the optional chairs. I'm getting exhausted. I could leisure lounge in here, the optional leisure lounge chairs, or I could make this into a chaise lounge so I could just relax before our feature presentation. Nope, Cole. No PlayStation. Hey, Rudolph. How you doing? We're going to move this over to here, get these over to here. Look at this. This is pretty simple to do. We're going to make this into a chaise lounge. Oh, super comfortable. Now move this over to here. Now we've got something. I like this. Now we have a beautiful chaise lounge. Can have a little nap. Every year we do the videos. I know they look really smooth. Normally they burn the footage when it's not good, but they decided to keep them to make me embarrassed again. For your viewing entertainment, the 2024 Leisure Travel Van Dean bloopers. Did I miss anything on the Winehorn? Oh, I didn't do the... Hey, Dean from Leisure Travel Vans. We're in beautiful Sprints. I bought these white pants 10 years ago. They still fit. 70th anniversary, 60th, which we call... Anybody? Plus, you can talk to Mercedes-Benz. Hey, Mercedes-Benz. I'll get killed for that, eh? You like that? See, even the loon liked it. Just press a button and it closes very nicely. Ready? Just down a little bit. Hey, look how beautiful hydraulic leveling jacks. Below we have our thought. See how beautiful the transmission. The cross, what do you call these things? House is 17 feet. And it's a Blu-ray sound player. One big air. What do I think? And if you order the anniversary package, hot and cold runner, water and runner, I suggest that you keep 2 wheels on that road. And we have another. This should be fun, right? This should be Blooper City. A 60-year-old RV salesman to a professional basketball player. Yep. Wind sensor. I said rain sensor. It doesn't turn that easy. Keto. Forget that. Water pump right here, which I wish I wouldn't have pressed. Find me a campground near my location.
I'm sorry.
Active brain assist. White sport. Actually, go on our line. That sound okay? Or can you edit that, or do you want me to? Enough of that. That's crazy. Hey, is that Santa Claus? Is that Rudolph on the roof? Is that the reindeers? I have to climb up. Let's get up here. Up on the roof. Santa. Oh, no Santa. No reindeer. No gifts for Dean. It's just going to be Cole in the stocking this year. I was a bad boy. How the heck am I going to get down? Well, I'll try my chimney jump. Maybe I can pretend that I'll be Santa and I will go down the chimney, just like Santa Claus. Look at this. Whoa, yes, sirree. Holy moly, yes. No Santa. Aw, sad. Hey, let's hear from our Leisure Explorers Club and all the adventures they had in 2024.
Hi, everybody. I'm Lori Raby, LTV Explorer from Calgary, Canada. I'm coming to you from my beautiful Canadian Rockies up in the Kananaskis. And I want to give a big shout out to everybody in the LTV community.
From Jess and April. We love our Wonder LTV so much that we've been traveling in it full time for over 2 years.
Here on the central coast of California, Mark and Hillary Steves would like to wish you a very happy holidays, especially to the men and women of Leisure Travel Van who build such wonderful motorhomes that the rest of us get to enjoy.
My name is Rihanna Maitland, and I am coming to you from beautiful British Columbia at the Emerald Lake Lodge.
Bill
And Denise Simeon.
We've been really busy this summer, taking trips all the way out, including to Vancouver Island in Canada.
An LTV with my mom. It's a Unity, and we get to travel all around for the past 3 summers. We were lucky enough to go south to the United States, and we traveled from Montana all the way to the East Coast, ending up in Rhode Island, Connecticut, Cape Cod, Maine, all the way back up to Quebec, and made our way back to Alberta.
I'm Carla.
I'm Tom with the Leisure Explorers team, wishing all of you a happy holidays for 2024. And here's a special shout out to the LTV service team who's going to fix our LTV after a tree fell on it during Hurricane Helene.
I had a great travel year in 2024, going 30,000 miles. I saw the whole of the Baja, the Pacific Coast Highway, and of course, amazing Alaska. Next year is the Canadian Maritimes.
And a special shout out to all the employees and dealers who make our LTV experience extraordinary.
Thank you for your hard work and attention to detail. We appreciate it every day.
Wish everybody in the LTV community at Triple E a very Merry Christmas, and thank you for making our beautiful RVs.
We are genuinely so excited to travel. We wish you all
The very best in the year ahead.
Let's hear from some of our customers that had great experiences in their leisure travel vans in the 2024 camping season.
This is Bob
and Peg.
from upstate New York. This year, you took us all the way from the East Coast to the West Coast and back.
5 months this year exploring.
Thanks for building the world's best RV.
I'm Derek Wang, and I'm here with my 2024 leisure travel van, Willie the Wonder. Wherever the road takes you this season, I hope you find the magic of the holiday along the way.
Hey, I'm Ryan.
I'm Kate.
And collectively, we are
The Romance. We're in Arizona in our LTV, road tripping all winter, staying warm.
I'm Kelly Westfall from Apple Valley, Minnesota. I'm one of the co-leaders of the Midwest LTV Club. I'd like to thank the Triple E RV employees for their hard work, their commitment to quality, service, and products.
I'm Stacy and Sherrick Berman from Omaha, Nebraska.
Thank you for building such a great product where we have had so many amazing adventures.
I'm Fred Cote, retired pilot from the Royal Canadian Air Force.
I'm Brigitte Leveillé, retired from Special Needs Educator.
Thank you for the wonderful RV that you built for us.
It's Lori and Hank Dodd from Winnipeg, Manitoba.
Merry Christmas to all the employees at Triple E. You've done a fantastic job, and Merry Christmas to all the customers.
Beth and Kim.
The prettiest sight to see is when we drive our Unity.
Let's go back out into the great white north. It's beautiful. I love it. It takes a huge community to make this all work. You know, from our suppliers, from all of our great employees, our dealers, of course, our customers, all the people that watch our YouTube videos, all the people behind the scenes, and of course, the ownership of our company since 1965. From all of us at Leisure Travel Vans.
For all you customers and dealers out there, Merry Christmas to you too.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to all our good Triple E customers.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Voorspoedige nieuwe jaar en een gezegende kerstfeest aan allemaal.
Merry Christmas. S Rождеством.
Щасливого Різдва всім та Нового року.
Maayong Pasko sa atong tanan. Proud Bisaya. За нас же на Лобызбет.
Joyeux Noël et bonne année à tous.
We're from the Kelowna Fraserway. Wouldn't be here without all of you. And to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Merry Christmas.
Hi, I'm Paige Johnston from Winnipeg, Manitoba. I wish you all a Christmas filled with joy and happiness.
From Leisure of DFW, Happy Holidays.
Happy Holidays.
Happy Holidays.
Merry Christmas, everybody at Leisure.
Just want to wish everyone Happy Holidays. A Merry Christmas to all the other Leisure dealers and partners and to everybody at Triple E. And I hope you have the greatest holidays ever and an awesome 2025. On behalf of everyone here at Holy West, Merry Christmas and look forward to working with you in 2025.
Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy New Year. And all the best wishes for the next year to come.
And I'd like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday. And once again, we appreciate being a part of the Triple E team.
And Happy Holidays from Van City RV, Montana.
On behalf of Village RV, we'd like to wish the staff of Leisure Travel Vans a Merry Christmas.
Willis coming at you. A very Merry Christmas to all of you. Thank you so much for working with us in 2024. We're looking forward to 2025.
Enjoy your family time and enjoy celebrating the Christmas season. All the best.
Happy Holidays from Van City RV in Colorado Springs.
Happy Holidays to everyone at Triple E and all our leisure travel owners from Van City, St. Louis.
Happy Holidays.
I know my hand actions aren't as good as Dean's, but on behalf of Guarantee RV, we'd like to wish all the employees and customers at Triple E a very Merry Christmas.
Happy Holidays.
Merry Christmas, Tom.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to everyone.
Happy Holidays and Merry Christmas.
Have a great holiday season.
Here's to safe travels in 2025.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays. Until next year, have a great year in your LTVs.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, a happy, prosperous new year. Oh, and one more thing. Dean from Leisure Travel Vans.